Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. I got something in the mail today that I've been waiting for. It's pretty much a unicorn item for me, or wish list, or my unicorn. So I'm super nervous to open it. I kind of don't want to. I just hope I really like it, like I think. It's from Fashionphile. And something that I wanted to get, but based on cost now, I think this is probably better to do it this way. Packaged nicely. And you can see through the wrapper already what it is, what brand. So it feels nice. I have two Chanel bags and mine don't have the box is different. Let me try to get this out of here without breaking the box or anything. This could be a struggle. There we go. Move that out of the way. Any guesses? I guess maybe based on the size. Yeah, this box is super soft and neat. Mine isn't quite like this, like magnetic flap it feels like. It's in the Fashionphile bag, but it also comes with its own dust bag. And you can see from the dust bag that it is a classic flap. So they come with the white dust bags. And I think, okay, I have the original price tag and the authenticity card are in here. I knew when I got this I wanted one that was like new, had the dust bag, the authenticity card, all that. Now let's see if I can get it open. Just almost freaked the fuck. Oh, wow. To reveal. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. It smells good. This is a jumbo classic flap with the silver hardware, which is exactly what I wanted. Turn lock. Inside we have the zipper pocket, the second flap, and here's the inside. Anybody who's seen these has seen these before. It is just the burgundy. Jame feels good. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's still puffy. It's Chanel, made in Italy. Wow, this is just beautiful. So, yes, I wanted a classic flap for so long, and with silver hardware, and I knew I wanted a jumbo, and oh, this is just gorgeous. Oh, can you hear that? I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm gonna admire my bag a little bit more here, and so I'm just gonna make this really short. Thank you all for watching.